Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Voyager for fee structure step by step clearly. First, launch the Voyager application on your device. Log into your account with the required credentials. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the main menu. Select the fee structure option from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add Fee button to create a new fee. Enter a clear name for the fee in the designated field. Choose the type of fee from the available options, such as flat, percentage, or tiered. Specify the amount for the fee according to your selected type. Indicate the applicable categories or services related to this fee. Set the effective date for when this fee structure will begin. If necessary, configure any additional parameters, such as discounts or minimum fees. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to finalize the fee configuration. Repeat these steps to add multiple fees as needed. To view the complete list of configured fees, return to the Fee Structure section. Make any adjustments by selecting a fee and clicking the Edit option. Save any changes made to existing fees to update your configurations. Monitor the fee structure periodically to ensure it meets your business needs. Log out of the Voyager application when you have finished your configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.